Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's short video, I'll tell you how you can get rid of the security delay required to the change stolen device protection on iPhone and iPad. So let's start the video. So friends, to get rid of this problem, first of all close this page and go back to the settings application. Now scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone's passcode if prompted. Now scroll down and tap Stolen Device Protection and turn it off. So friends, here I want to tell you that due to security reasons, this feature doesn't turn off immediately. Whenever you try to turn off this feature, a time of 1 hour will be set here and you will have to wait for 1 hour, after which you can turn it off. So let's wait for an hour. So friends, an hour has passed and now again we will go to the stolen device protection and turn it off. So you can see that it is now easily turned off.